Hi, I'm Dr. Garishaw. I am the incoming sixth graders guidance counselor for next year, and I wanted to run two tutorials so that you have an understanding of what type of course selections your child has to offer for next year. I'm going to go pretty quickly, so please remember just to follow along and look back at it later. If you go back to Burlington Township School District, you can find the middle school website here. If you click on it, it will bring up our middle school website, which has a lot to offer and a lot of resources available for you to view. If you go under departments and click guidance, you can see our course curriculum guides are available for 6th, 7th, and 8th grade. If you please click on the link, it will bring up sixth graders incoming course selections for next year. If you click on the link, it will give you a packet of information about the courses that we have to offer in middle school. And I want you to know that there will be a orientation in September that will allow you to come to the school and take a tour, meet a lot of the administration, the nurses, the staff, and we will give you a tour around so you can see some of the classrooms and answer some of your questions then. Today, the objective is just for us to get an idea about some of the courses that are being offered and just to feel a little bit, get ready to course select or choose courses for next year. You can find my information on the letter, and Monique Guyton, one of the secretaries, is available also to answer any of your scheduling questions. Okay, we are going to go over that there are 4 academic courses that will be inputted into your schedule: language arts, math, science, and social studies. The math, those students who are currently in the enriched math program will move into the enriched math 6. The other students will be taking language arts 6, math 6, science 6, and social studies. We also have an encore program. We offer 2 different types of electives. Those are for students who are currently in the encore program. Encore 6A, which is Unsolved Mysteries and Debating, and Encore 6B, which is Build a City and Mock Trial. If you have any questions about the Encore program, please contact Liz Scott to see if your child is eligible or if you have any specific questions. We also give some academic assistance. These are for students who might be struggling a little bit or need a little bit extra help with literacy as well as math. And those are determined by teacher recommendations and F&P scores, as well as any other standardized tests that may be given. You will also have, for your child, the required related arts, okay, for 6th grade: art, computers, family life or health, music, gym, and world language and study skills. And you can read about each one and what each class has to offer. The full year classes are also continue to be offered for next year, and these take up 2 electives. So they will be offered the entire year, and electives are usually half a year. So your child will have 2 elective courses that they can take. We will talk a little bit about opt-out in the next video or next tutorial. And just think about that your child can continue to take band, chorus, and orchestra if they're currently in the program. So we also have some of these electives. These are the fun electives that all the students get very excited about. Please review the electives with your child and read a little bit about the course selections. And in the next tutorial on the Google Share Drive that you'll be receiving, you will be choosing and rating how you want your child to take them. So they'll be rating from 1 to 10. This goes over the entire course requests, okay, that students have to take. These are required classes, some more information about electives. And this is the elective form that we use to come into the classroom to offer. This has been replaced by a Google Doc, okay, which will be shared with you and help you organize some of the classes that you want to take. I know that a lot of you have a lot of questions, and since we're not able to get out to the classroom like we usually do, you can always contact us, okay? I'm Dr. Garishaw, and ask us any type of questions that you may have. We'll also be available in the summer to help you feel a little bit better about the course selections. But I just suggest that you get on, read a little bit about the course selections, and there'll be another tutorial about how to pick your course selections. Thank you for joining me. Again, it's Dr. Garishaw, and I hope you have a great day.